Hello, everyone. As 2014 comes to an end, we at the National Weather Service in Sacramento would like to review weather highlights from this past year. After several winters of below-average precipitation, Governor Brown officially declared a drought state of emergency for California. The California water year runs from October 1st of one year to September 30th of the following year for each wet season. By January 2014, we were well below average, and a significant water deficit continued through September for the 2013-2014 water year. In February and March, we had some decent precipitation as storms tapped into subtropical moisture near Hawaii. However, it was not enough to overcome the water deficit or end drought conditions. The February and March storms also brought severe weather with thunderstorms, hail, and tornadoes. There were 7 observed tornadoes rated as weak EF0 and EF1s. It was a surprising twist to realize that by the end of March, California surpassed many of the typical Tornado Alley states for total number of tornadoes. With the dry summer months, our focus turned to fire weather. The largest wildfires in Northern California for 2014 were the Happy Camp, July Complex, Bully, Eiler, Bald, and King fires, which in total burned over 366,000 acres. In October, our region transitioned from hot and dry to cooler and wetter conditions as the jet stream finally began to push storms into Northern California by the end of the month. Once October opened up the storm door, December followed suit with several storms that brought wind, rain, and snow to our region. The main impacts were wind damage, power outages, mudslides, flooding, and dangerous winter driving in the mountains. However, we finally saw some improvement to our rain and snow totals. Not enough to end the drought, but definitely a good start to the new water year. Reservoir levels got a nice boost between October and December. Lake Oroville and Lake Shasta, the 2 biggest reservoirs in California, increased their capacity by 7% and 15% respectively. We still have a ways to go, and there's no guarantee how the end of the 2014-2015 water year will turn out, but we've started out on the right foot, or rather, a wet foot. Temperature statistics for 2014 show that the eastern half of the United States was colder than normal. However, California is on track for this being the warmest year on record. Several cities in our area list 2014 as being number 1 in their top 10 warmest years. We hope you enjoyed your 2014 weather year in review. Your support has been amazing on social media as you helped share critical weather information, and we look forward to serving you in 2015. Thank you.